If I was starting from scratch, this is how I would build a web development business. I'll be sharing a 5-step process, drawing from my own experience and the strategies that work for 100 plus web agencies I'm currently involved with. This isn't a quick fix or get rich quick scheme. It's a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and a bit of strategic thinking. So let's get started. The first step in building a web development business from scratch is conducting a self-appraisal and honing your skills. You need to take stock of your current skills, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and understand where you stand in the vast field of web development. Are you a whiz at front-end development but struggle with back-end? Do you excel at design but find coding tedious? Or are you a full-stack developer who can handle both the front-end and back-end but need to improve your project management skills? These are the kinds of questions that you need to ask yourself during your self-audit phase. Once you've identified your areas of expertise and areas for improvement, the next step is to dedicate time to learning and mastering those skills while you start lead generation. This might mean taking online courses, attending workshops, or just practicing by doing your own in-house practice projects. It could also involve contributing to open source projects if you're a very good developer. The reason we do lead generation before fully skilled is because you don't need mastery level for most projects, and by the time you get clients, weeks or months will have passed. So might as well start early. You can always say no to clients if they want to engage you too early in something that you're not really comfortable with. The second step is niche selection and profile optimization. Forget everything you've ever read about niche selection, like be passionate about it. And there are so many choices. Just choose. Look, considering the type of lead generation tool we'll be using, it's not about some granular niche selection. It's about getting on calls with potential clients ASAP to get data. When starting out, you need to make a choice, basically web development or web application development. That's it for beginner-friendly funnels like Upwork. As for how to get started on Upwork, it's basically the best beginner funnel and has been for a decade already for web development. Don't listen to the hater crowd. They have no clue what they're talking about, meaning people who say, oh, Upwork isn't good, it's just cheap leads. No, it's not good for them because they don't know what they're doing. What you need to do is set up a profile that talks to the client in their language using their words about their problems. And the better you get at that, the more results you will get on the platform, along with all the other parts that are required for Upwork. So let's talk about the next part, which is actually one of the things you need for your lead generation, which is building your portfolio. Your portfolio is your proof of work. It's what you'll show potential clients to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Start by doing projects for yourself. These could be personal projects such as building your own website or creating a web application that solves a problem you've encountered. These projects give you freedom to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them without the pressure of client expectations. As you gain experience and confidence, you can start taking on larger, more complex projects. And by the way, no one has a perfect portfolio, and no one will ever have a perfect portfolio or skill set. So it's time to drop the feeling of you're not enough and start on your journey to becoming good at things. Focus instead on figuring out how to figure out solutions to new problems quickly and efficiently. Basically, almost everything already exists that you're likely to build in your first couple of years of doing this, so you might as well find all the templates and solutions that already exist and know how to modify and implement them. Plus, you can always pay someone to help you with projects, so your skills aren't the only thing that's important. The most important factor in proof is specificity. Show them proof from their own field as close to what they're doing and what they're looking to do as possible. The fourth step is client acquisition and retention. This is where the sales and lead generation aspects come in. You need to maintain a consistent work routine to see results. You need to consistently reach out to potential clients and maintain good relationships with existing clients, also so you get more referrals. Use platforms like Upwork to find clients. Optimize your profile for the platform's algorithm by using relevant keywords, maintaining a high job success score, and regularly updating your profile. But don't rely solely on freelance platforms. Reach out to businesses in your niche directly, once you do have a niche based on data from doing many projects on Upwork, and attend industry events both online and offline, and network with potential clients in real life. Once you've acquired clients, the next step is to retain them. This involves providing excellent service, delivering on your promises, and exceeding client expectations whenever possible. Remember, a happy client is more likely to hire you again and refer you to others. The final step is scaling your business. Once you've established a solid client base and have a steady stream of income, it's time to think about growth. This could mean hiring additional developers, standardizing your offer, and narrowing down your niche, meaning selling to fewer types of clients based on data from your previous best clients, basically what they want, who they are, and how you can offer the same thing faster and more efficiently to new people like them. Just like in fitness, where you gradually increase the intensity of your workouts to continue making progress, in business, you need to continually challenge yourself and push your boundaries to achieve growth. This might involve investing in new tools and technologies, learning new skills, or taking on larger, more complex projects, or just hiring people who already have done stuff like that because you now can afford to do that because you have a business. It's not a quick fix, but a journey. With determination, hard work, and a little bit of luck, it's definitely possible. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to chat to me directly, one-on-one, go to businessmentor.com, and I'll see you in the next video, which is in the description.